Hello and welcome back to Java 7 programming tutorial. This time I'm going to look at a certain aspect, and for this case it's a sandbox is one to test. You can test whether it's you have to test a string or is a number from a given expression, a regular expression. So there's something you have to be filtered, so you come up with what you like to see inside it. So that's very important. By the way, you are working with it's very practical. By the way, when you are working with let's say you want to it's just for the coding. You have to prove does this expression contain a number, or it doesn't have a string, or you want to convert a string to number. So also you have to confirm first, does it have, are you sure that it has? So that's why it's coming into is essential. So I'll open alongside let me now open it live server first, but I will like to open it alongside my code. So here it is. Then so it's let's make it yes, so that's it, regular sandbox. So this is that's it. For this case it's our sandbox, and you can see inside the code here it is, the structure of it. And I don't talk much about it, neither will I talk about the stage. Let's just head direct into the JavaScript code. So of course you have to access the DOM elements by their IDs for this case, and because you want to work on the pattern, text string, the text button, and the result, of course. Yeah, so then for this case the flag by ID, that element by ID, and then of course the other one is by G. So I for this case, G is for the global use, and for this will be the other way, and of course the other flags. So like we will click and be able to make use of the flags for I or for the global. And of course function get flags, let flags have no content for is if case insensitive flag checked. So I, it's for case user case sensitive, and it's for global string flag checked is equals for that case. Yeah, so this is what the two means. So it's the text that will be typed will have to be very careful with this. Is it case sensitive will be considered if you are searching for a word, for like you want a text string, but for of course it have to be in the regular pattern, but you cannot do that because of case sensitive. Maybe it starts with a small letter and you have started it with a capital letter, then automatically that word will not be existed there because it's based on case sensitivity. Yeah, so function together flags for the checkbox, and of course let's now event listeners for the test button. So test has been added a click event listener. So pattern value is equals to, of course, how to access that, to whether you are using the flag I or J. Then you try and error. So inner element run, of course. Then I let the matches for replace. You have to replace for the text. You want to shift between the two for the matches. Then of course you have to display the results. The global flag checked. Constant all matches the match method, and then request pattern. Then all matches, then you join them, and that's exactly what will be happening inside the code. Then else no match case, no match. That will be the display. If it doesn't show, it is not inside the regular button. But again, if you make an error, they'll just say it's an invalid regular expression. So let's make use of it. So if I type anything like hello world, yeah, then I've of course considered the case insensitive. I just say the case sensitive. Then you text the string hello. Let me see hello. Hello. Not much. Okay, there's something say to miss. Yes, try to do it that way. So there's not much. Let's refresh first. Still on this now to see it. Still not much. So let me try to expand it. Refresh. So then just a interface. Still no. It says no. Not much. That means nothing matches from this thing. Nothing matches from this thing. So okay. So it's again hello there. Hello there. Yeah, just not much. Let's say it's hello. Let's say it's there. Says no much. Let's consider the case insensitive. Let's see. Says no much. If I consider the case sensitive, then I add this exclamation mark. Still not much. So you just have to be very careful because of this sensitivity, and of course the irregular button. So the regular pattern, and of course is for. You have to consider the punctuations and all this. So at the same time. Not much of the same thing. Hello. Test your string. Not much. So that's why you have to be very much sensitive about this. Yeah. So making use of the tool. So you can see all the items that I've been making. They have all been not successful because I have not been know much of this. I hope we'll implement much on the next tutorial for this case. So thank you for watching and follow back for more. Have a great day.